Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making some delicious mango drink, perfect for the summer. So come along and let's get right into the video. To make this drink, first we are going to make some simple syrup, and to do that I add some sugar to my saucepan and add some water. Bring it to a boil until the sugar is completely dissolved. I'm using 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water for the syrup, but you can increase or decrease the amount depending on how sweet you want your drink. So over here I have 1 mango, and this mango doesn't look ripe, but it really is. To get the best of this drink, you really want to use ripe mangoes. So next, I'm going to take out the fruit out of the skin and discard the skin. You may also peel your mango before you extract the fruit, but it doesn't really matter how you do it, as long as you get the fruit out of the skin. So this is all the fruit I got out of my mango. I'm going to set it aside for later. So next, I'm going to roll my lime on my board to make it more juicier and cut it into 2. I'm going to use only 1/2 of this lime. In my blender, I'm going to go ahead and add my mango and then the juice of my lime. Next, I'm also going to go ahead and add about 1/2 cup of the syrup we made. You can also replace the syrup with some honey or maple syrup. Now go ahead and blend everything together until it becomes very smooth and silky. And if your mixture is well blended, you should be left with some silky and smooth mango syrup like this. To finalize the drink, you want to go ahead and pour some of your mango syrup into a pitcher or a jug. How much you add really depends on how thick or thin you want your drink to be. Finally, go ahead and add some sparkling water to your mango syrup. You may also use regular water, but using the sparkling water takes the drink to another level. Now stir your drink to combine your mango syrup with the sparkling water, and your drink is ready to be served. You can add some ice cubes and serve this, but my sparkling water was super chilled, so it doesn't even need the ice cubes. And there you have it, our delicious mango drink. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!